Union Home Minister Amit Shah is now in Chennai as BJP eyes Tamil Nadu ahead of 2021 Assembly polls. Amit Shah offered floral tribute to former Chief Ministers MGR and Jayalalitha. He will soon be inaugurating several big-ticket developmental projects. The Home Minister is also scheduled to meet with top BJP leaders of the state later in the day. He was welcomed by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniaswamy and Deputy Chief Minister there, O. Panniraselvam. When he arrived at the Chennai airport this afternoon, Tamil Nadu is seen as a challenge for BJP, and the party is hoping to make inroads in the state, which has failed so far. That many years that the BJP has tried to establish itself, while it has in most other parts of the country, it's failed to do so in Tamil Nadu. It's hoping that this time the BJP would manage to make inroads, considering a 65,000 crore worth developmental project is being inaugurated by Amit Shah just as we speak. These are live visuals coming in of a party event where Amit Shah is flagging off several new projects. After Khushbu Sundar and former IPS officer Annamalai, Alagiri's close aide now has joined the BJP today. Ramlingam. Speaking to India Today, Ramlingam says Alagiri is also like a very close friend, a brother to him, and he will urge Alagiri to join the BJP. Rumour has it that Amit Shah might just meet with Alagiri as well as Rajnikant, more likely. Akshay Nath joining us live, tracking all the developments there happening in Chennai with Amit Shah's visit. Akshay, here we're looking at visuals of Amit Shah, part of a massive meet there where he's inaugurating projects worth 65,000 crores. If you can give us a glimpse into what these projects are, we understand it's really going to boost the Tamil Nadu economy, give that many jobs to the state, developmental projects that's coming in right at a time when Tamil Nadu is going to assembly elections. Amit Shah himself coming to flag off the event and set the stage right for the BJP in Tamil Nadu. Take us through the details that you know.
Well, Nabila, we're being told that Amit Shah was invited by the AIADMK to inaugurate this prestigious project, which is worth rupees 65,000 crore. There are multiple developmental projects that are being brought into place, and that will be inaugurated by the Union Home Minister. And Nabila, this is not just a government event, but also there are several undertones to this meeting because this visit of Mr. Amit Shah comes months before the state assembly election, and also when everybody has been talking about the rough relationship that is being going on between the AIADMK and the BJP. It is seen that Amit Shah's visit to Tamil Nadu, to Chennai specifically, is very crucial. In fact, while announcing Amit Shah's visit itself, it was seen that BJP State President L. Murugan had said people will have to fear the visit of Amit Shah. These were the statements that were given by L. Murugan when he announced Amit Shah's visit. And soon after, we had seen that there were several talks that were going on, if it was just the opposition parties which were indicated at, or if the AIADMK was also pointed fingers at. And we have seen in the last couple of days that there have been multiple changes that are happening. In fact, the AIADMK also had a high-profile meeting last evening at their party headquarters, where all the senior leaders of the AIADMK were present. The meeting went on for like 2.5 hours, and that internal meeting was also a discussion on what not can be proposed during this meeting of Amit Shah. Today again we've been told that CM and OPS, the Deputy Chief Minister, both of them have a likelihood of meeting separately Mr. Amit Shah, because during these events where they're participating, it will not give them enough or sufficient space to discuss anything about their coalition or their alliance and things like that. So this would be the perfect arrangement, is what we're being told, that after Mr. Amit Shah coming to Lila Palace where he is residing, post that they will be having a meeting, is what we're being told. And Nabila, we need to remember that the BJP does not have a very strong foothold in the state of Tamil Nadu. The Lok Sabha polls show that they had less than 4% vote share, and while the previous state assembly elections, which happened 5 years back, showed that they had probably 5 to 5.5% vote share. So at this juncture, with the absence of Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi and the growing new political trend in the state, it's expected that BJP is trying to make inroads into Tamil Nadu, and the big face who can try making those changes is seen as Amit Shah, and that is exactly what the BJP's state in charge C.T. Ravi was saying. He in fact tweeted it out today morning saying that Amit Shah will come and break all the opposition parties and make inroads into the state for the BJP. So, you know, these are all big.
Here we're clearly looking at Amit Shah there already strategizing amid the alleged strains between the BJP as well as the AIADMK. Its ally that it's supposed to be. It doesn't seem like they're on the same page over the last few months, considering the Vel Yatra, the strained relationships that AIADMK and the BJP has shared so far. But is this a change in the narrative is what the question is, considering Amit Shah is here along with the AIADMK leaders. It seems like a happy duo. My colleague Akshita Nandagopal there explains to us the importance of Amit Shah's visit here in Tamil Nadu. Let's take a listen.